What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be looking at this game Trace, but with a 4 instead of an A. So, this is a new ARG that released two days ago, and it's on Cool Math Games. Warning, there are spoilers ahead, so if you want to do this yourself, I would suggest not watching this video. Alright, so you start in, and it says, "This isn't right." You say, "Hello, can anybody hear me?" "Yes." "Oh, hello, you sound so far away. It's hard to hear." "Sorry." "That's alright, I just need you to listen." "Okay." "I'm missing some very important data. I need you to find it." "What data?" "There are 3 items I need you to find. Oh no. What is it?" "They're encrypted in strange codes on this page. I can't decipher them." "Oh no. You need to decode them. Can I trust you to do it right?" "Yep." "Good. Here's what I know." He gives you all the clues. So, okay. So the first clue, location landed in. That's up here in the URL. If you click it, you can see there's this code up here. And this code is need to be deciphered using the A1Z26 code, which means that the first letter of the alphabet is corresponding to the first to number 1, and then the last letter of the alphabet Z is corresponding to 26. So if we decipher this, 0 is nothing, so it's 23, 1, 12, 12, 1, 3, 5, which is WALLACE. Wallace. So, if you come over here and you put this at the top, put this at the URL, every time you decipher a code, you put it on the URL, put Wallace in here, enter. It gives you this creepy poem. If you take the capitals, so T, R, A, C, and then for some reason B is capitalized, that's not supposed to be there, and E, you get trace. And if you decipher the next code over here, as it loads, it's down here. No, it's right here in controls. You solve all these math problems, which I did by myself because I'm just that smart. You spell wreath. If you put that at the top here, wreath, new one, the mechanist. If you take these capitals, it says D, E, F, I, N, I, T, I, V, I, E. Once you code that, it says definitive. Then if we go back here, the last one is in the instructions. If you solve for X, which I did because I'm smart, you get mark with a Q. I don't know how to pronounce that because I'm just not that good. So you put that over here. The final one, the mage. Maybe I said that wrong. I don't know. And then you take E, D, T, I, O, N, addition. If you put all that at the top and combining the Wallace at the top, it says, if you look at the top Wallace, it says this little thing, 0 dash. If you put all of those words together, you get www.coolmathgames.com/0 Trace Definitive Edition, and I've already searched this up. So, Trace Definitive. Maybe I spelled this wrong. No, yeah, I did spell that wrong. Anyways, it's over here. Once you type that in right, you get this little fun thing. So, this is just like Trace, the original game, if you've played that. And, yeah, so you solve the riddles, and that's it. I've only done this once, so I'm not the best at the riddles, but I'll try my best to explain what you need to do. So, click. Alright. Sponsored video. Because I just don't have premium, because I've got no money. I'm basically broke, so that's nice. Alright, so, first load in. Sometimes it crashes. Let's hope not. Don't crash, don't crash. Load, 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 load. Go faster, go faster. There we go, there we go. So, it's just like the original Trace, but you can't play the entire thing. So obviously the ARG is, I'm assuming, promoting the new. I've got a bad computer, so it's really laggy. I'm assuming it's promoting the new Trace game, which is Trace Definitive Edition. So if we click new, amazing sound. It's raining. Okay. The storm is growing. Soon, this world would be lost just like the others. Where did it all go wrong? The answer is here somewhere. I'm sure of it. Wreath. I'm sorry, there's that name. Game theorists, they should check it out. Alright. Exactly just like all the other Trace games, except more laggy because my computer is bad. So, first thing you're going to go do is go over here. See this? Light, not light, 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 not light. Enter that in here. You can hear the little noise. 8, and if you go over here, you can actually take a picture using this. So we got 8 is the second digit. Next, this one is involve you to look at this spider over here. So if you look at this spider, it sees this red pattern, and then you have to come down here and do that red pattern. So, oh boy. So it's like a connect the dots thing to make a shape. What the crap? Hello? Got it. So you're just gonna do that. You're gonna do like an X shape. Then you're gonna go over here. Click on this. And you're gonna get this half of a scissors. And then you're also gonna get a new code. So, whoa. Take a picture of this. Boom. You're not going to enter the code yet, though. So, you're going to then need to find the other scissor half, which is in this sink. You then combine them together by clicking this up here, and then you just drop them together, It's really laggy. Drop. Okay, that didn't work. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I think I broke it. Oh no, oh no. I broke it! Okay, combine these. Tap this, and then tap that. Boom! Finally. Put them together and you make scissors. Boom. Get out of it. Then, you're going to come over here to this little red thing. Click this once. You're going to drag it here and click it. And you get a key. And the key, as you probably guessed, is used to unlock something. How insane is that? So you're going to go over here, go to this box, get the key out, click on the key, click on this, open this, and you got a 0.35, which is weird because you can't enter a 0.35. So you got to find the last one, which you have to oh yes, there's this over by this paper towels. Come over here, you get this code. So now we have almost all of them. We need one more. And I believe the next one is in here. No. Maybe it's in here. No. Okay, I don't know what you're supposed to do next, but I do remember how you do it. So, you're going to go over at this little square right here. Click on it. No, down. Up. Oh man, it's not going to let me do it until I solve the riddle. Crap. I can't remember. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing right now. You need to find a crumpled up paper. Okay, well, I remember the thing. So you're going to do, it's a fish. So you're going to go here, then here, then here, then here. And then back here. That didn't work. Stop the... Okay, wait. Wait, you go here, 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 and then at the bottom. And then it's going to make me go back to the top. Oh, I ruined it. Oh no. Oh boy. Okay. So, this is a great point. This is a great time to point out this. Oh, down here. This is, you think this is where you're supposed to put the, you know, like the codes, but there's a 0.35. How are you supposed to put that in there? That's the thing. You don't. Wow. You need to find... Okay, maybe it's this. No, it's not that. Okay, guys, help me out. I'm not... Okay, oh no. I'm not very smart. Yeah, it's one of these tiles. Okay, now I'm just clicking on random crap. Nope, that's not it. We need to find a paper. Plant. Okay. I'm gonna figure this out. I'm kinda smart. Okay. Alright, so here, then here. It's going to create a line there. And then here, and then here, and then here, and then here. Oh no. Oh no. Here, then here, then here, and then you go across, and then down, and then over. I did it. I'm just that good. I cheated. Okay. Then you find this, which you're supposed to divide each of these numbers by that. So the code you end up getting is 5 4 quick math. 5472. That's what you get. That's the code. 5472. So I'm trying to keep this as short as possible. 5472. Go over here. Just click until you get 5. 5. Oh, that was 6. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 7, 2. Boom, just unlocked. Then you can go out, click on it. Boom, new pattern to put in. So, come over here. And, of course, me being smart, I figured it out again. So you go here, then here, then here, then here, then here, and then here. Okay, no, that's not right. No, here, then here, then here, then here, then here, then here. Yeah, that's what you do. I just won again. Then, if you go out and click on that, you get this little tile. Most of you are probably recognizing what I'm going to do now because you probably played the original Trace game. You're going to go over here. You're going to go over here and you're going to click on this. And you're going to click this and drop it and click it again to drop it right here. Boom. Puzzle. Now, I just got this first try because I'm just that smart. So I'm going to drag this over there, drag that there, and then over there. And then I'm going to drag this over and then down. Drag this down, 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 drag this down. So much dragging down. Drag this down. No, drag this over here. Drag this there. Drag this over here. Drag this there. And then you need to drag this there. Drag that up there. This over all the way here. Go down again. Drag that over there. Drag this over here. Drag this there. This there. This there. This up. This there. This down, this side, this up. Drag this up. Then you're going to drag this there, there, and drag there, and over there. Move it again. You're going to go down, drag it over, drag this over, drag this up, move this over. Now, can you guess what you're going to do next? Yeah, you're going to drag this, then drag this. Then, you're going to drag this, put this in there, drag this over, drag this over, drag this over, drag this over, drag this over. Then, you're going to drag this down, this over, and down, drag this over, then this up, and this up, this over, and this up. And you're going to drag these two over here, then you're going to drag this there, and up, and then over here. Drag that over there. Now, the door is unlocked. So now, you're going to go over here. You're going to open the door by clicking on the doorknob. Now you're over here. Here I thought, oh cool, there's another room to explore. I went over here and went to click on something. And then it gets fuzzy. And then it does this. End of demo. Like, come on, guys. You can't leave me hanging like that. And so, yeah, you have officially beat the ARG of Trace with the 4 instead of the A. That's the official name, just so you know, totally. So, thanks for watching, guys. I know I haven't posted in a while, so it means a lot that you're watching this. And I hope to see you in the next one. See ya.